Atmavat Sarvabhuteshu, the self-realization integrated with the collective consciousness. The easier it is to say, the harder it is to understand. Today the world is longing to be served, to be healed, and every one of us surely trying to serve at least our immediate environment in our own way. Today's situation is showing us that it is not possible to stay well alone. Our neighborhoods as well as other nations' well-being are directly proportional to our well-being. What is service according to you? How to serve in the best way possible? Is there any other kind of service than providing aid? We human beings are interdependent. Service in its pure form should wear the essence of do unto others as you wish to be done by. This is the sole consciousness which can drive a man towards helping others in the most natural way possible. When my sense of being is verily integrated with everyone around me, then without others' well-being, my own self gets shattered. I cannot help but think of others as my own, and as a result, I will endeavor for everyone's well-being and put their grief out. Namaskar, welcome to Master Within. Today we are talking about service. First of all, let me clarify that providing aid is very much in need at the present scenario. But the process doesn't end after serving someone. If we were really empathetic to someone's inability, we should try to make him able. We should try to make him capable enough to serve others. How to do that? Love is the deepest drive of our life. We gradually come to be what we love. Love strengthens our action, upholds our lives. Our destiny is determined by the center where we place our love. If our love is rooted to a divinely inspired living ideal, our life would naturally be transformed. And we would proceed in the realization of the Supreme Beloved, the ideal, the divine. This concentric love eventually universalizes itself, becomes all-pervading, all-absorbing. Love the ideal. This will bring an active, valorous urge to serve him. And let the magic of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam happen. This Sanskrit phrase from Upanishad means the whole world is a single family, a single unit. It is the supreme truth. It is not a geopolitical, socio-cultural statement. It is a matter of fact. If you want to serve the whole world, serve the ideal, the one who is for all. It will work as a transmitter. Otherwise, do whatever you want to anyone. Pauperism is not going to go anywhere. Across the timeline of this planet, leaders have emerged out of the crisis and served us in a responsive, upheaval manner by demolishing sectarian conflicts and invoking the ideal centricity. By getting attached to these leaders and the company who love them as their own, the degeneration of the humanity comes to a stop. Awakening the inherent goodness is their utmost responsibility. Whatever good lies latent in us gets nurtured and augmented. Our wisdom and vigor arises. Surely this is the highest form of service of all times. I hope now you have an idea of real service. If you find this video useful, hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know your thought by commenting. Do subscribe to Master Within. We have also launched a podcast which is available in every audio platform. The links are in the description. I see you in the next video.